What do you want? Again? Why? Why are we doing this? I told you I don't feel like arguing with you today. You gonna just insist that I do it, right? What do you want me to do? Today is not the day, and I'm not gonna go through this with you today. I don't care if you get serious or not. You heard what I said. You heard what I said too. Did you hear me? Did you hear what I just said though? What? What? Don't be grunting at me. You grunting for? Ain't said nothing to you. What do you? What? What? We not doing it today, bully. Not today, sir. Why do you want to do this to me? This what you do as soon as I clock out, right? Even though I done took you outside and did everything you wanted me to do. This what we doing? Hmm? Oh, it is? That is what we doing? That what we doing? You serious too, huh? Tell them, hey. Hey, y'all. All right, come on, let's go. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, because this all you want me to do is get up. That's all you want.